right, thank you for joining. So today I wanted to go over Arbitrum, ARB, USDT on the Bybit chart. And it looks like it's been a little while since we went over Arbitrum. Might have been about a month and a half. I do remember drawing this demand zone here, and look exactly what happened. Back in August the 2nd, price came down, tapped that demand level, 4-hour demand level, before moving to the upside. If you were to get in on this, that would have been one nice gain, right? But enough about the past. Let's go ahead and look at what price action is happening right now. Now I went ahead and pulled the fixed range volume profile of this entire range, including this sell-off which happened in January 31st. You can see the value area high has been respected multiple times. Even up until now, it's been flipped from resistance to support. So very interesting to keep in mind. So as we stand right now, Arbitrum is looking very good, looking very bullish, looking very strong as long as it holds this level. If we start to fail this level, I would not be surprised if we come back down to the 34-cent range, which would essentially mean that would be a 32% drop to the downside. Now, if we are able to hold this level, my next main target would be locally 22% higher at 62 cents. That's the next major resistance. That's where we found some resistance before. Current range high. But in my opinion, the next major resistance would be 32% higher, which is at 68 cents. And as you can see here, before it acted as a very big support resistance zone, right? So let me go ahead and draw this box here. So the moment we go ahead and flip this resistance into support, then I would actually be aiming for the 92-cent range. So first objective is to break above, realistically just break above 68 cents, flip that into support. As you can see here, this level was tested multiple times, right? This is a very well respected level. You flip 68 cents into support. Next target would be 92 cents up to $1, which is the monthly open, right? Untested monthly open. So keep that in mind. Arbitrum is looking pretty strong. We have some daily levels here that have been tested before. Let's see if there's any new levels. It's actually been front ran, so we can go ahead and leave that there. We'll remove that one since it has been tested. But yeah, in my opinion, it is looking pretty strong. I wouldn't really consider longing this project again unless we get a sweep of these lows and see price once again start trading above the value area high, which it pretty much did, right? So there were some lows here, right? Price came down, swept those lows. Let's go ahead and put the swing failure pattern on. Swept those lows right there, right? Before then moving higher. Now it's reclaimed the value area high and it's attempting to hold this level to move higher. So in my opinion, right now is a great time to be a little bit more bullish on Arbitrum. Not financial advice, but definitely manage your risk and look for a good entry. The best entry would be for it to basically redo what it did before, sweep the lows, reclaim, and move even higher, aiming for that range high, which is at 62 cents. All right, and if we go ahead and zoom in a little bit locally, we do have some lows right here too as well, which you can keep in mind. Maybe price does come down here, right? One more time, sweep these lows, hold the level, and then aim higher. And if you are able to get that entry, that would be very nice, because just like I said before, it's around a 15% move to the weekly level, but main target 23% higher. So very quick video on Arbitrum, nothing too crazy, very strong project. A lot of people love it. And I think it's looking pretty strong, ever since June 22nd, it's just been making higher highs and higher lows, right? So I would not be surprised, especially with the market getting bullish once again, that this 68-cent level gets taken out very shortly. That's pretty much it. Thank you for joining. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Always read all of your comments. And yeah, leave a project down below you'd like to see me chart. Leave a project down below. I see all your comments, so I'll do my best to get that project reviewed, so this way you can see exactly my outlook on it, right? Once again, not financial advice. Like and subscribe. Thank you for joining. Take care.